Crackpot color theory. Go here. We really don't have time on the short playlist, but for completeness, I'm going to do it. In the Purehue function section, we have this modulo 1530 function that takes a Purehue index and it's going to map it into a weird square tooth wave thing. So this is the diagram explaining our square tooth wave and how it iterates through all of the different Purehues. And we're going to pay attention to the blue channel here and figure out how to create this animation. How do we break this down? Well, we can see that these two or three components are anchored at 0. These three components are anchored at 255. And what direction are we going here? We're going nowhere. What direction are we going here? Positive. What direction are we going here? We're going nowhere. What direction are we going here? We're going negative. So there are 6 different phases where something's happening, right? There's 6 different phases to our square tooth wave that we're trying to create, right? So we're going to recreate this in the code right here in these 2 lookup tables. And then what we can do is we can get which cell or phase we're in, we can get the relative location, and then we can use the cell or phase in these lookup tables to get the base, the anchor value, and the direction we're going in, positive, negative, or nowhere. We can combine it in this formula, and that will create our animated wave. We're going to air check our inputs here and spit out the modulo value here. This is an empty initializer. And here's our unit test main where we're going to test our wave function. So here's our unit test table with 17 unique entries. Here's the inputs, and here's the expected outputs. And we've clustered these tests around all 6 fence posts. So FP1 to FP6 are the fence posts in our diagram. And here's where we're iterating through each test case and getting the input, getting the expected output, getting the actual output, and we're going to throw an error if we don't get what we expect, right? Okay, so then down here in the init client front end, we're calling the initializer, then we're calling the unit test main for Purehue. Here's what we did previously. Here's footnotes and stuff. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you need to go here, and you really should go here to the Ninja Coder channel. Also, video 613, just on a different channel. You are here on the advanced playlist on Kanji Coder. If you just want technical demos, you can go here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IV MMO, a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game written in JavaScript in C99 style.